Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapid here, and today I decided to show you a game between Caruana and Karjakin from Tata Steel 2022. This is the first round. Players started really slow. I think there were a couple of matches, but all games were pretty much or drawish or not very exciting, and world champion played a quick draw against Yesipenko with black, and so I think this game is just a little bit more exciting. And so let's quickly move to the middle game. So Fabi played d4. Obviously e4 is his main move. He decided to play against Sergey d4. I think Fabi has advantage over Sergey last years. I remember like about 7-8 years ago, I think Sergey was stronger, but now of course it's Fabiano who is playing for win. So this is Queen's game, and quickly white exchanges dark square bishop. Interesting that black plays it quite easily, get this dark square bishop exchanged. Queen c2, b6, I don't know. Engine says it's inaccuracy, but I normally play something like g6 here. Yeah, maybe g6 doesn't make sense because bishop bishop d3, but you can, try to exchange the slice square bishops. But Sergey decided to put it on the queen side. g6. Yeah, and he exchanges this this way. Castles, rook c8. So I like Fabiano's game because this is basically why white plays d4 on first move, yeah, to get such kind of positions. Engine-wise, they have some plus, but just black is quite passive. This bishop, this knight is bad. This knight is not impressive, but and queen on d6, I think. I know just one plan to put the knight to d6 and play some b5 and knight c4. This is what I know, but it's very far from what's going on. Rook d1. This is very very standard. Sergey places knight to e6. And both players spend a lot of time. Fabiano thought for 30 minutes about this a3. This is so-called minority attack, and trying to avoid not let black play c5. h3, knight a5. Maybe if you play here, then yeah, then this tactic appears. Yeah, knight takes d5, and white is winning. So you can play this queen b7. And b4. So this is again standard, and I think in this position what Fabi wants to do, he wants to he can attack on both sides. Yeah, he can attack actually even in center. He can attack the queen side, and he can at some point attack the king. So, so he just wants to understand where black is going and then attack on the opposite side of the board. a6, h4 is good move. Now black's king is in a little bit trouble, and e4. So actually, practically speaking, this move is always good for white. I think I played a lot of these positions with black, and always when white, even when I play not against the strongest player, but this just center initiative is really strong. Engine here suggests like a ridiculous line to play f4, which is absolutely impossible to calculate, for me at least. Yeah, white just gives up a pawn with tempo, yeah, and then claims that with this f file they're winning, yeah, even though black can play like knight to d6, and it's totally winning for white, because white will take, and they will win this knight here, yeah. But it's extremely and nobody like just gives up a pawn with tempo and then creates some attack. So knight f3, double question mark, queen d2, knight to g5. So not sure about knight g5 really. I think this takes I just so it catches this knight, right? So he cannot take. He open up the a file. And c5. So this is again, according to agent, it is critical. It says that white is winning because you have to take with this b pawn, and after takes to play knight e6, and ancient considered this okay, so f3 first and then capture on c5, that this position is winning. But again, it's really computer stuff, yeah. So Fabi took with this pawn, and this position already equals. I saw so many players criticize Karjakin. They just say that he's just not that top player actually, according to his game strength, and he's lucky, yeah, that they were sure. The commentators I read, they were saying that Fabi was clearly winning, and now Karjakin just was lucky that Fabi didn't see any of this tactics. So in this position, black manages to stop this pawn from going forward. So let's quickly finish the game. And this position with black is up a pawn. Yeah, in this position they agree to a draw. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.